guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Sylvia. Thank you for joining in on another video. So today I'm going to be reviewing Kojie-san. The reason I bought this product is because I wanted to use it under my arm and just see if it could lighten. I've been going through like serious hyperpigmentation. Hyperpigmentation is a mild way to put it. I would say pitch dark if you get what I mean. And honestly, this has happened since when I was in secondary school, I guess. Like that region has been dark and I've been putting it off. I'll be like, oh, there's nothing there. So right now I'm trying to work on it. So I decided to try Kojie-san. This is an empty pack, nothing is inside. So I've been using it under my arm for like I think a month, four weeks now. So of course I have reviews for you guys. I have before and after videos so that you can see if this thing worked or if the rave is real or if it's fake. So let's get right into this video. First things first, Kojie-san, I got this for, I think they had a sale, so I got mine for 4,000 naira, and I have them here. So I put them in a Ziploc bag and I divided them into tiny cubes like this. This is the second pack, so but this is the first one. So I just cut them like this and I've been using it for my underarm. So when I started using this product, first of all, I wasn't seeing any results. A lot of people were saying, oh, you know, it works for your underarm and all that stuff. So I kind of thought over a period of time that maybe their hyperpigmentation was not as severe as mine, because of course I'm going to show you like videos of what it looks like. And honestly, it's been 4 weeks now. I cannot say that the place still looks the same, but I cannot tell you that I've seen a drastic result. Of course I'm still going to use it till I finish the entire soap, but one thing I noticed about Kojie-san is that it works faster on mild hyperpigmentation. So for example, I started using it on my chest and my hands, and I can tell you for a fact that the chest region looks better, like 3 times better. And I've not been using it for as long as I've been using it for my underarm, and it just works amazing. And my body acne has disappeared. Of course not everything has left, but it has disappeared. So this is a good body lotion, but I don't like bar soap, so I can't use it for my entire body. I wanted to use it for my face, but I'm using tretinoin right now, so I cannot use it for my face, if you get what I mean. So I don't want to mix it because I don't want to be too sensitive to the UV and the sun. So that's why I don't mix them both. If I was staying at home or I wasn't going out regularly, I can do the both of them. It's not harmful, but when you get under the sun, you need to protect yourself with a sunscreen. And yeah, so basically that is what I have noticed about this product. Let me show you what my underarm looked before and what it looks like present day to day. So guys, this is like my 1 month review for my underarm. So sorry I did not wax before doing this video. I'm kind of afraid of waxing, so I just push it till I can no longer push it anymore. But so far so good. This kojic acid product, it really, I would say it didn't give me the result that I wanted. I've been using this for a month now. This is it. And in terms of appearance, the region looks like it doesn't have that sharpness like when I'll show a previous video before I started, but it doesn't have that sharpness, as you can see if you stretch the skin, which is, this one is a problematic area. So I would say kojic acid is going to take a longer period to work on this level of hyperpigmentation, and that's just basically it. I might not put this part of the video, but I just wanted to give that review. So basically, like I said, I didn't see any drastic results. I'm still going to keep on using it and then keep you guys updated the next month, which is this month, August. So by the end of August, I'll do another review for like month 2. So if you want to, I already did a video for like my 29, so if you want to see how my face looks amazing, you can definitely check that out, because my face looks amazing. Of course I have makeup on right now, but my face is giving. Anyway, not to digress, this is my review. I got this for 4,000. There are 2 bars here. This is the 135 gram. Yeah, this is the 135 gram. So of course right now the price would be like on Buy Better, the price is 4,800, or some other sites will sell for 5,000. So because it's 2.5 per one, that's how much they sell Kojie stand. And of course you have to buy verified vendor. So Buy Better is one. I bought mine from Buy Better, so you can buy from 2411, from TK4, all of those sites. They will sell authentic products for you guys. You can use this for your body, you can use this for your face, you can use it for any region that you're having mild hyperpigmentation. But if you're having like serious dark spots, serious acne, scar, this product will take longer. In fact, it might not actually work. It will fade the appearance of it, but it might not do the work, in my honest review. And I did see some people reviewing that Kojie San does not work on their acne scars, and now I'm noticing that it's not working on my underarm. So obviously everybody's body is different, so don't think that, oh, because it didn't work for you, for me, it's not going to work for you. It will. So you just have to try it, okay? So basically that's my review. And also this product is drying, so you want to moisturize after you use it. If you use it for your face, it's going to dry your face out. If you use it for your body, which I do, it's going to dry your body out. So you want to ensure that you're moisturized regularly, and as soon as you use the product, just moisturize afterwards. And that is basically it for this video. If there's any question you have that I didn't cover, leave it in the comment section, I'll answer you. And what else? Subscribe to the channel. We're getting to 8,000. I don't know why you guys are not subscribing. You're watching my video and you're not subscribing. Please subscribe, okay? And follow me on my socials. Instagram is @silk. Thank you so much for watching. Do have a lovely day. See you in my next video. Bye guys.